EmreKb's Market Structure Break and Order Block Indicator provides a detailed framework for identifying shifts in market direction and mapping out high-probability price zones. It combines dynamic swing analysis, structure break detection, and automated order block plotting to give traders a complete view of price behavior in real time. At its core, the indicator tracks significant swing highs and lows using a zigzag calculation based on a configurable length setting. These swings form the foundation for recognizing when market structure has shifted. A market structure break, referred to as an MSB, occurs when price closes beyond a key high or low. This is immediately highlighted on the chart with visual labels, making it easier to spot potential trend reversals or continuations without manually scanning every candle. Once a break is confirmed, the indicator automatically identifies and plots relevant order blocks. Bullish order blocks are highlighted when institutional buying pressure is detected, typically around the origin of strong upward moves. Bearish order blocks, on the other hand, mark zones where selling activity previously dominated. These areas are extended forward on the chart, acting as potential zones of interest for future price reactions. The indicator also distinguishes between base blocks, which form during periods of consolidation, and breakout blocks, where price moves aggressively from a defined level. What makes this tool particularly effective is its integration of breakout confirmation logic. By factoring in a configurable Fibonacci-based threshold, it filters out weaker structure breaks and highlights only those backed by sufficient momentum. In practice, this means fewer false signals and a stronger focus on price levels where institutional activity is likely influencing the market. Moreover, the indicator has extensive customization options. You can adjust the zigzag length, text sizing, and the way bullish or bearish zones are color-coded. There is also an option to automatically delete invalidated zones when price moves beyond them, keeping the chart clean and relevant. However, it is important to approach this indicator as a decision support system rather than a standalone strategy. While the Market Structure Break and Order Block tool provides valuable insights into price behavior, it is not designed to predict future movements with absolute certainty. Like all structure-based indicators, its effectiveness can be reduced during periods of extreme volatility, unexpected news events, or when market liquidity is unusually low. To improve reliability, the indicator performs best when combined with other complementary tools that strengthen trade confirmation. Volume analysis can help validate whether a structure break has genuine momentum behind it, while fair value gap mapping highlights imbalances in price where liquidity may be targeted. Incorporating liquidity zones or broader institutional levels can further refine potential entry and exit points, especially when these areas align with the highlighted order blocks. By combining structure detection with dynamic order block mapping, this indicator offers a comprehensive solution for identifying institutional footprints and anticipating high-probability trading opportunities across different market conditions.